Can you imagine the perfect socks? Bold, vibrant colors and patterns that look great. Interesting designs and fun characters from games we love. High-quality materials for comfort and durability. And all for a reasonable price. Well, you don't need to imagine, because you made it happen. This time last year, the crowdfunding community backed our first project, over 1,200%. Our initial 5 designs turned into 25. We made thousands of pairs for hundreds of backers and donated a lot of socks to homeless shelters. Inspired by your overwhelming support for our first project, and with lots of new ideas from our backers, we've returned with a whole new range of designs based on some of our favorite games, such as Dig Dug, Bubble Bobble and Buster Move, Super Mario Brothers, PlayStation and Mini Metro, and a special homage to all things Nintendo by guest artist Captain Sugar Spice. We have more designs and sizes to unlock if we reach our stretch goals. We're offering premium quality socks with bold, quirky designs for half the price of most other designer socks. And we can only do this thanks to crowdfunding. If you enjoyed this video, please consider supporting the project, or share it with someone who loves interesting socks. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.